We have given fractional equation, so first we have to check denominators. We have y minus 4 and we have 3 plus y, and in the third denominator we have y squared minus y minus 12. This is the quadratic trinomial. So we can try to factorize this by using grouping method. So let me copy first algebraic fraction. We have minus, and we have 6 plus y over, and we have 3 plus y. So first I will write the variable y, and we have next plus 3. This is equal. Numerator I will rewrite. And now we have y squared at the beginning, so y we will have to write y times y is y squared, and now we have to find two numbers which I multiply and I will have negative 12, and when I add I will have coefficient before y is negative, invisible negative 1. So it will be negative 4 and positive 3. Let's check. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So we have exactly the same expression what we have in the third denominators. So now we see that y minus 4 repeats and y plus 3 repeats. So the lowest common denominator will be y minus 4 times y plus 3. So let me write first our denominator will be y minus 4 times y plus 3, and because at the beginning we have only y minus 4, so I have to multiply this denominator by y plus 3. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. And in the second denominator we have only y plus 3, so I have to multiply by y minus 4. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do with numerator the same. And on the right side we have the same denominator, so we don't have to do anything. So in the numerators we have to do multiplications. Every expression in the first parenthesis we have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. So 2y times y is 2y squared. 2y times 3 is 6y. y times 1 is y. 1 times 3 is 3. This is our first algebraic fraction. Next we have negative sign, we have to copy, and the second denominator we have to copy, and we will write terms in the same order. So y minus 4 times y plus 3, and in the numerator, like I said, we have to do multiplication. 6 times y, 6y. 6 times negative 4, negative 24. y times y is y squared. y times negative 4 is negative 4y. This is equal. Right side we will rewrite. Now when we have the same denominators, we have subtraction, so we have to copy the denominator and subtract numerators. So we have and we will combine the like terms. 6y plus y is 7y, and we have plus 3. Now we have to copy negative sign, and we need to open parentheses because we have negative sign before this whole expression, and we will combine the like terms. So let's start from the highest power. We have y squared, 6y, negative 4y, so this is plus 2y, and negative 24 we have. So this is equal. The right side we have to rewrite. So now we have to take down this parenthesis, so we have 2y squared plus 7y plus 3, and will be negative and positive, so will be negative y squared, negative positive, so will be negative 2y, negative and negative, so will be positive 24, over we have right side we will copy. Now we see that we have the same denominators. So when this left side will be equal to the right side, only when numerators will be equal. Denominators are the same. So we can forget about the denominators. We have to only compare numerators. And we will combine the like terms. We have 2y minus y, 2y squared minus y squared, so will be y squared, 7y minus 2y, so this will be plus 5y, 27. This is equal, and we have y squared plus 3y plus 7. I will move now expression with y's to the left side, so we have y squared plus 5y we will rewrite, and we have negative y squared. We have to change the sign. We have positive, so now will be negative, positive, so will be negative 3y. So this is equal 7 we have to rewrite, and positive 27 now will be negative 27 when we move to the other side. So we see that y squared and negative y squared we can reduce, and we have 5y minus 3y, so this is 2y is equal 7 minus 27 is minus 20. Now we will divide both sides by 2, and we see that 2 we can cancel out. So we have that y is equal negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10. So now we have to check if negative 10 is solution for our fractional equation. How we do this? We have to substitute every y in this equation by negative 10. So let's do this. We have to copy our equation. We have 2y plus 1 over y minus 4 minus 6 plus y over 3 plus y. This is equal y squared plus 3y plus 7 over y squared minus y minus 12. And when we substitute and left side will be equal to the right side, it means that our solution is correct. So now we substitute y's by negative 10. So we have 2 times negative 10 plus 1 over negative 10, I will put in parentheses, minus 4 minus 6 plus negative 10 over 3 plus negative 10. This is equal negative 10 to second power. We have to check if left side is equal to the right side, plus 3 times negative 10 plus 7 over negative 10 to second power minus negative 10. I will put in parentheses minus 12. So now let's check. 2 times negative 10 is negative 20 plus 1 is negative 19 in the numerator. In the denominator we have negative 14 minus, and now we have 6 plus and minus, so will be minus 10, so this is negative 4, 3 minus 10, so this is minus 7. So this is equal, we have to check. Negative 10 to second power is 100. 3 times negative 10 is negative 30 plus 7, so it will be negative 23, and in the denominator we have 100. Negative and negative give me positive 2, so we have plus 10 minus 12, so will be minus 2. So now we have negative and negative, so we give me positive. We have 19 over 14, and again minus negative and negative, again will be positive, and we have 4 over 7. In the first denominator we have 14, so I will find the common denominator for 14 and 7 will be 14, so I will multiply 7 times 2 to have the same denominator. The same I have to do with the numerator. So now we have 4 times 2 is 8 over 14, so this will be equal, let's check, 100 minus 23, so this is equal 77 over 100 minus 2 is 98. Now let's write this here. We have the same denominator, so we copy the denominator 14. We have 19 minus 8 is 11. This should be equal. We have 77 over 98. What we can do? We can reduce 77 divided by 7. 77 divided by 7 and 98. The Cartesian factor for 77 and 98 is 7. 77 divided by 7 is 11. 98 divided by 7 is 14. So we see that we got that left side is equal to right side. What it means? It means that y equals negative 10 is correct solution for our fractional equation.